Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
In Goa, also my government has done exceedingly well in managing the COVID crisis under the able leadership of young and dynamic Chief Minister Dr. CM Sawant. I congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and his entire team of ministers, officers, doctors and corona warriors for successfully controlling the spread of the virus in the state. Honorable Prime Minister's clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat during the COVID crisis has reverberated across the nation. Goa, by launching Swayam Purna Goyam, has become a role model for the rest of the country. Under the mission, government Karmacharis have been appointed as Swayam Purna Mitras to bridge the gap between government and public with focus on less government and more governance. My government is very keen to protect the interests of Goa in the Mhadei river dispute. Vigorous efforts are being made to stop any diversion of waters to Karnataka.